Hello class, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. Children, as you all know, we are learning subtraction and we have completed many exercises. Yesterday we have completed word problems on subtraction. So today children, this is the new topic for you. We are going to make some word problems on the given numbers. So that we are going to learn today how to create a word problem if the number is given. So on the basis of the numbers, we will make a story in which we solve problem. Okay children, so let's start today's class. This is your maths video class. I welcome you once again children in this class. So today is 9th July 2021 and this is your maths class 3. Okay, and our topic is subtraction. As you all know, we are on chapter number 3, subtraction. Children, as we have discussed in addition also, we have created some word problems and we have written some problems in words. So children, as we are doing today also, so it is your exercise number 3.6. Okay, so all of you take out your maths, composite maths, your book, and we are on page number 54 and we are going to start exercise number 3.6. Okay children, so exercise number 3.6 we are going to start and we are going to make few word problems on that given numbers. Form a simple word problem for each of the following. Now here you can see 6 questions are there and we are going to make some form a simple word problems. Now first number is 30 minus 14. Okay, first is 30 minus 14. So we have to write in words, we have to create something that there are in a class there are 30 students and out of 30, 14 girls are there. So how many boys are there in the class? So that is how we can create a word problem. Now children, I am going to write word problem on that. So there are 30 students in a class, okay, and 14 girls, 14 of them are girls. So how many students are boys? Students are boys children. Now here I have created one word problem that is based on these numbers and I have written there are 30 students in a class. 30 students class में हैं and 14 out of them are girls. 14 out of them are girls. Okay, so question is how many students are boys? कितने students जो हैं वो boys हैं? 30 में से 14 जो हैं वो girls हैं पर question है कि कितने boys हैं? So now we are going to solve this. Okay children, so let's solve children. First we will write solution. So write it down, solution first. Solution. Okay. Now in solution we will write number of students in a class. How many? You can see there are 30. Okay. Now number of girls equal to 14. Okay. So number of boys in the class. So what we will do, children? We will subtract 13 minus 4. So what we will get? Okay, now here you can see 30 minus 4, it will give 1. Now here it is become 2. So 10 minus 4 we will get 6, and 2 minus 1 we will get 1. So answer we will write, there are 16 boys in the class, children. There are 16 boys in the class. Okay. So question. Now children, here you can see I have created one word problem. There are 30 students in the class and 14 of them are girls. How many students are boys? So here number of students in class is 30. Now number of girls equal to 14. Number of boys in the class equal to 30 minus 14, we will get 16. So children, answer, there are 16 boys in the class. Okay, so completed. First number we have done. Now we are moving to the number 2, children. Number 2 is 58 minus 36. Okay, so take a screenshot. Okay, now we are moving to the number 2, sorry. Number 2 is 58 minus 36. So equal to question that we have to create. Now what we will do, we are going to make a word problem on the given number. Now let's start making word problem on this 58 minus 36. So Rahul bought 58 chocolates. 58 chocolates. He gave 36 chocolates. He gave 36 chocolate to his sister. Now, how many chocolates does he have now? How many chocolates does he have now, children? Okay, this is question. Okay, now what we have created, the given number is 58 and 36. Rahul bought 58 chocolates. Okay, he gave 36 chocolate to his sister. How many chocolates does he have now? It means Rahul के पास 58 chocolates थी, उसने 36 chocolate अपनी sister को दे दी. तो अब क्वेश्चन है कि हाउ मैनी चॉकलेट्स डज ही हैव नाउ. सो उसके पास अभी कितनी चॉकलेट्स हैं. सो फर्स्ट यू जस्ट राइट डाउन दिस वर्ड प्रॉब्लम इन योर कॉपी, देन वी विल डू आवर सॉल्यूशन. ओके, सो टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट and do it in your copy. Okay, now we are going to do this solution. We are going to write, okay, now number of chocolates Rahul had. Rahul bought. Okay, Rahul bought. Okay, total number of chocolate 58. So we will write over here 58. Now number of chocolates he gave to his sister. How many? He gave 36. Now number of chocolates he have, okay, now, okay, he have now you have to subtract 58 minus 36. So here it is simple subtraction. 8 minus 6 you will get 2. Now 5 minus 3 equal to 2. So answer you will write over here, children. Answer: Rahul have 22 chocolates now. Okay, now Rahul have 22 chocolates. So children, complete it. Write in your copy. Okay, or take a screenshot. Okay. Rahul bought 58 chocolates. He gave 36 chocolate to his sister. How many chocolate does he have now? So number of chocolates Rahul bought, okay, 58. Number of chocolates he gave to his sister, 36. Number of chocolate he gave him, he have now 58 minus 36. So what we will get? We will get 22. So answer: Rahul have 22 chocolates now. Or you can write like this also. Now Rahul have 22 chocolates. Okay. So take a screenshot and complete it. Now we are moving to the next word problem. That is actually given number. So we have to create a problem. Now third number is 96 minus 15. So beta, take a screenshot. Now we are moving to the third number. Third number is, number 3 is 96 minus 15. 96 minus 15. Okay. So we have to write answer first over here. So let's start creating a problem in words. Okay. So children, here you can see Sahil had, or Sahil bought 96 pencils. Okay. He gave 15 pencils to Rahul. So how many pencils does he have now? Okay. Now here what we have written? साहिल बॉट 96 पेंसिल्स. साहिल ने कितनी पेंसिल्स खरीदी? 96. और उसने क्या किया? ही गेव 15 पेंसिल टू राहुल. उसने अपने फ्रेंड राहुल को 15 पेंसिल दे दी उसमें से. सो हाउ मैनी पेंसिल डज ही हैव नाउ? अब उसके पास टोटल कितनी पेंसिल बची? ओके. सो फर्स्ट यू जस्ट राइट डाउन दिस वर्ड प्रॉब्लम इन योर कॉपी, देन वी विल सॉल्व दिस in the form of solution. Okay children, so first you just write down this word problem. Sahil bought 96 pencil. He gave 15 pencil to Rahul. How many pencil does he have right now? Okay children, so first you complete this. Now we are moving to the solution. Same way we will going to write solution, children. Now here, now I am going to start writing solution. Okay. So first 96. So number of pencils Sahil bought. Okay. Sahil bought equal to 96. Okay, children. Now, number of pencils he gave to Rahul. How many? This is 15. Okay. Now here we are going to write number of pencils he have. Now, or does he have now? You can write 96 minus 15. We are going to subtract it first. So 6 minus 5 we will get 1. 9 minus 1 we will get 8. So answer we are going to write over here. Sahil have 81 pencils. अभी कितनी pencils है? Now you can write now also. Sahil have 81 pencils now. Okay. अब उसके पास कितनी pencils हैं? 81. ठीक है, इसको लिख लीजिए. First solution you have to write number of pencils Sahil bought, that is 96. Number of pencils he gave to Rahul, 15. Now number of pencils he have now, 96. Minus 15 we will get 81. So Sahil have 81 pencils right now. Okay. So completed, children. Take a screenshot. Now after that we will do next one. The next one is number 4, 78 minus 16. Okay. Take a screenshot or complete it. Now number 4 we are going to do. Number 4 is 78 minus 16. 78 minus 16 equal to what? Okay. So now here we have to create one word problem. So we will write the word problem over here. There are 78 students in a class. Okay. 16 students are boys. How many students are boys in the class? Okay. So the question is, there are 78 students in the class, 16 students, sorry, we have to write in here girls. Okay. Now there are 78 students in the class, 16 students are boys. How many students are girls in the class? Okay. So you are going to write this, or you can make your own word problem on the basis of this question. Now we are going to solve this, children. Solution. Number of students in a class equal to 78 Okay, number of girls, number of boys, sorry, number of boys in a class, there are 16. Okay, now number of girls in a class, that is 78 minus 16. 8 minus 6 we will get 2, 7 minus 1 we will get 6. So there are 62. Answer, there are 62 girls in a class. ठीक है? So here you can see increasing number of girls. Okay? So children, write it down or take a screenshot. Now we are moving to the next one, children. Okay? We are moving to the 50. Okay? 5 number question. Complete it or take a screenshot. We are moving to the 5th number. On 5th number you can see 50 minus 45. We have to make a problem, okay, in words. This is, the question is given over here, we have to create a problem, a word problem. We have to create few lines to solve this numbers, okay. So children, now let's start. We can make anything, we can take any object, okay, to creating word problems. So now we will write over here that there were 50 bats. Bats, cricket bat you can write. It is quite easy for you to understand which type of the bat. There are 50 bats. There are 50 bats in a shop. In a shop. Okay. Now the next line is the shopkeeper sold. The shopkeeper sold 45 cricket bats. Okay, sold 45 cricket bats. So how many bats, here you can see how many bats are still to be sold. Are still to be sold, children. Now I have created a problem on given numbers. So what I have written, there were 50 cricket bats in a shop. 50 cricket bats shop में थे और उनमें से 45 cricket bat. Now here you can, the shopkeeper sold 45 cricket bats. And how many bats are still to be sold? यानी कितने बैट अभी भी रह गए हैं बेचने के लिए. Okay, so first you write it down, children. Take a screenshot. After that we will solve this. Okay. So take a screenshot, children. Okay. Now I hope you have taken. Now we are moving to the solution. Solution I am going to write over here. You can see. First what we will do, there were 50 cricket bats. Okay. So number of cricket bats in a shop. In a shop, so equal to 50. Okay, we will write 50. So now here number of bats sold equal to 45. Okay, इतने बैट बिक गए. Now number of bats were left to be sold, or you can write are left to be sold equal to, we have, what we will do, we will subtract is 50 minus 45. So here you can see what we will do. We just take 5 and this is 4 here, so it will 0. So 0, 5. Answer, there are 5 bats left to be sold, children, to be sold. Okay, now here you can see there are 5 bats to be sold. 5 bats left to be sold. Okay, so complete it or take a screenshot. Now we are moving to the next number, that is number 6, and the number is 113 minus 98. So first you complete it or take a screenshot. Okay. Okay. Now let's move to the next one. Next one is number 6. Number 6 is 113 minus 98, children. So this is much bigger number than others. ये ज़्यादा बड़ा नंबर है, जो कि हमने पहले किया वो इतने बड़े नंबर नहीं थे. So let's start doing. Let's create one word problem on this. This is the bigger number, 113. So you can take any object. Toffees you can take pencils, you can take kites. So there are so many things you can take, and after taking the object, the name of the object, you just create Rahul bought or Sahil bought or Reena bought 113 pencils, color pencils, and she gave 98 pencils to her friend. So how many pencils are left with her? So these type of the things you can create. So children, this is based on the numbers. We can create any story in that. So you have to develop this skill. On the given number, you have to write down in words. The problem is given over here. The numbers are given over here. Numbers but given in the numbers. Problem but it is given in the numbers. And now we are going to utilize this number in words. हम इनको words में create करने की कोशिश करेंगे. So children, let's start making. Because this is the big amount, so we will take any object like books. So we are going to write any. There are 113 books in a library, or you can write 13 comics books. Okay, comics book, because क्योंकि लाइब्रेरी में तो बहुत सारी तरीके की बुक्स होती हैं. Comics books in a library, and 98 books, comics books have issued to the students. Okay, so how many books or comics books are left in the library? So the question I have done, you can see I have created. So there are, because this is the big amount, that is why I have taken the object books. Okay, so there are 113 comics books. Comics जो कि आप जनरल पढ़ते हैं, मज़ेदार होती हैं, only for fun we are just reading. So 113 comics books in a library. 113 books library में हैं, and 98 books have issued to students. Students को issue कर दी गई, दे दी गई, ठीक है. How many books are in the library? Are left in the library? कितनी books अभी बच गई हैं library में, ठीक है. So you just write it down. Here you can see were also. It is quite okay for us. So here we are going to start solution. Solution करेंगे सबसे पहले. So number of books in a library equal to 113. Okay, number of books issued equal to 98. Okay, so number of books are left, कितनी बच गई? So what we will do, we will minus 113 to 98. So what we will get, children, let's start subtraction. So here, because 3 is there, so it is quite small number, so we will ask help from 1. 1 will give 1, because 110 is there, so it will give 1. So it will become 13. 13 minus 8, we will get 5. Now here, because 0 were left, so it will ask help from 100, so it will give. So here 10 minus 9, and this is 15, and nothing is there. So 15, answer. Okay, answer 15 comics books are left in a library. So there are 15 books are left in a library. कितनी books रह गई? 15 books रह गई. So children, that is how we can create word problem. So it is so simple. As we have completed word problem which are given in the words, we have transformed into the numbers. So as the numbers are given over here, we have to create word problem. We have to write problems in words. हमें उसको words में लिखना पड़ेगा, उसको अपनी तरह से हमें कोई character बनाना पड़ेगा, किसी तरह के object लेने पड़ेंगे, और object लेने के बाद we should create a word problem. So that is how we can do this. We have completed exercise number 3.6, children, and we are moving to the next topic, that is, in short, we are going to learn, that is, properties of subtraction, and after that we will learn addition and subtraction together. Okay, 2 topics are left in this your chapter number 3, so we will do in our next video, children. So we will meet again, practice it, because it is very important. We are completing chapter number 3, subtraction, so it is most important to complete yourself, because I have given the answer but you have to create your own. इसको खुद से बनाने की कोशिश करिए, ताकि आपकी थोड़ा सा सेंटेंस मेकिंग आपका क्लियर हो, और हाउ टू क्रिएट sentences you have to learn, because this is very important in all the subjects. So first you just create few sentences on the given numbers. So children, we will meet again, practice it. Till then, bye bye and take care.